Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix notification sound is too quiet on Mac. So if you often miss notification because your alert sound is barely audible, even though your Mac's overall volume seems fine. The problem is usually related to alert volume settings. macOS lets you control notification sounds separately from your media volume. So increasing the speaker volume alone may not make notification louder. And to fix this issue, you have to separately go to settings and increase the alert volume. So first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to sound, and here in sound effects, you can see alert volume. If you are barely listening the alert sounds, maybe this slider is too low. So you have to slide this slider all the way up. If the notification sound is still difficult to hear, click a different alert sound. And to do that, click on the drop down menu right to alert sound, and from here you can choose different alert sounds. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.